regulator's opinion is a blessing, in my opinion, because it's taken them over a year to get that, and it actually repeats the law, which is exactly what I've always claimed in the cases I represented Israeli courts of my clients, by which Israeli banks have to receive those funds, the funds which are crypto originated. Basically, they don't have any discretion compared to other banking systems in the world, which might have a more of a capitalistic point of view. Then they can manage those risks and they can avoid receiving those funds. However, Israeli banks do not have that discretion. By law, they have to give financial services and banking services to customers as long as they don't prove that the risks of AML and terror financing actually exist. And in the cases of my clients, they don't. They are law-abiding and tax-willing to pay customers, and they have the right to receive those banking services. And I really do hope that the change here in the regulators, hopefully in a decision we'll get from court, will be the cursor of the new change for the whole banks, other banks in the world. Thank you.